go on the timing mark. That line goes, hooks up on that line. So just kind of slide it in there, hook it up. Same down here. Took the lines to the lines. That's all it takes. $152, 150, beautiful. 150, 152, 155. What we just did was a compression test that tests the health of the motor, the piston rings, the valve seals, the valve sealing rather. And given the fact that these are 8-to-1 motors, 150 cranking pressure is really good. It tells me that this motor probably has been freshened up at some time, because all of the pulleys are almost new. Having this kind of compression is very rare, so this is a really good thing. Typically I see anywhere from 135 to 145 on cranking compression.
And I understand that compression, it's not so much the ultimate compression ratio, it's the variance between the cylinders that's vitally important.
It's both. They're both equally important. You don't want to have one that is, 10% lower than the other. And these motors are, typically, 135 to 145 cranking pressure. And having 150 I'm tickled about that.
We are too. Thanks a lot.